If you thought BlackRock or Zillow was buying all these single family homes and that's why you couldn't get one last year, let me show you data why that just isn't the case. I've put 8 offers in on houses here in Austin and I've gotten banged out by cash offers on all. So I decided to do some research on why the housing market is so shitty. Of all 23 million single family rental homes in the US, only 1.6% of them is owned by these big companies. That's only 0.19% of all rentals in the US. So I decided to dig a little bit deeper on 2 things: how many homes we have and the population growth over time. Every decade from 1950 to 2010, the population has gone up on average 24 million. In the last decade, we had 20 million, which is a little bit less, but still a crap ton of people. Now, this is where it gets interesting. I decided to look at how many homes were built across those same years, because without homes, where are these people going to live? From 1950 to 2009, we built 12 million homes on average per decade. But between 2010 and 2019, we only built 6.9. Combine that with the government doing absolutely nothing to help the situation, but instead making it worse by doing things like printing money. This is the money printed over time. Insane. And keeping the interest rates really low. Both of these things make housing more expensive for everyone. We're stuck in this shitty situation where there's not enough homes being built for the amount of people that are living here and being born here. The worst part is the government is pretending like they're doing stuff, but instead they're just making everything worse. So besides the government and not having enough homes, who else's fault is this? Data from Redfin shows the spike in second home mortgages going up 177.9%. I'm not a fan of hedge funds buying houses, but let's be real. I don't think it's their fault.